Morning Movers. Here's Scarlet.
Plenty of vol in Mellanox Technologies. The stock is down by 17% right now to $51 a share in the pre-market. It's the most actively traded stock by value in U.S. trading right now. Late yesterday, Mellanox, which is an Israeli-based technology company, cut its fourth quarter guidance because of weaker demand, challenging economic conditions. Analysts say that this company typically delivers meeting its guidance, so this was a big shock.
I'm watching the German stock market, the DAX. Why? Because Germany, of course, is the biggest economy in Europe. And today we got some new numbers on unemployment. Unemployment ticked up a bit in Germany. Number of Germans out of work rose for the 9th month. The unemployment rate, though, held near 6.9%. So far has been going strong. And the reason it's so important is because the central bank there, the Bundesbank, has warned that their economy in the fourth quarter may slow considerably on the crisis impact.
All right. We're also taking a look at shares of advanced micro devices falling by more than 1% right now after Barclays cut it to underweight. That's the equivalent of a sell. AMD right now at $250 a share in the pre-market. Barclays citing structural headwinds in AMD's main business, which is making chips for PCs. PC declines will weigh on its unit growth outlook. I just checked, and Intel shares are trading lower as well.
Well, I'll stay on the technology theme. The new technology, social media, certainly getting a boost. Facebook and Apple also big winners in yesterday's session, with the NASDAQ closing sharply higher. Facebook shares a little flattish this morning, around $28 a share. And the analysts, it certainly turned the tide. Newfound optimism. JP Morgan, just the latest to come out, lift its price target to $35 a share. There's some hope about mobile advertising, the key to Facebook's bottom line.
We talked to Brian Weiser New Year's Eve, I think it was, with Pivotal Research Group. And he's been dead on about this, but this brings up the idea of we did have the end of the quarter. We start earnings here in 3 or 4 weeks.
That's right. I was just looking. Facebook reports on January 23rd. Everyone's going to be all over what Mark Zuckerberg says about the prospects for monetizing social.
I think it's going to be a huge mystery to earnings season, like retail sales today. What exactly did happen over the holiday with the consumer?
Anecdotal. I mean, if you walked into a store, it seemed like everything was at least 30 to 40% off. Of course, that's only part of the story. Online sales are a huge component now of retail sales.